calling all yogurt lovers out there, this is for you. Come with me as I visit this new yogurt spot in Kai Mall, Era Yogurt, located at 2nd floor. They offer yogurt mix, fruit milk, and coconut milk drinks. And the star of the show, their DIY yogurt. Here you can get to swirl your own yogurt, choose your toppings, mix and match flavors, and build the perfect cup exactly the way you want it. Syempre, hindi natin pwedeng palampasin, tinry ko rin gumawa ng sarili kong yogurt. Super saya pala ng experience since first time ko lang medyo kinabahan pa ako sa pag-swirl ko dyan. Fruit toppings naman tayo and nilagay ko dyan is yung favorite ko na muscat grapes. And gusto ko po mag-add ng something chocolatey or sweet flavor sa ating yogurt. Kaya naglagay pa ako ng mallows, Rice Krispies, sprinkles, and chocolate sauce. Ayan pala yung kinalabasan ng ating DIY yogurt. Medyo di lang maganda yung presentation. Pero tignan natin, moment of truth, taste test, and I love it. Hindi siya super maasim unlike other yogurt na natry ko. Super balanced lang ng lasa niya. I really love it. Maybe this will be my new yogurt obsession. Kaya, kung mapadpad rin kayo sa Kai Mall, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Go and try Era Yogurt na!